Hello everybody and welcome back to D.W.W gardening. Today I'm going to be showing you how I plant out my tomatoes. I've got a variety of different ones this time. I've got a nice selection of different varieties what I've got from various sources. So I hope you're all going to enjoy this one, and I'm going to be planting them out. If the weather holds out, it's starting to dew a little bit, but hopefully it's just a passing one. So I'm going to show you how I plant out my tomatoes. I'm going to show you how I put my tomatoes in. Like I said, I've got a nice selection this time. This is a Shirley. You can see these were in my conservatory, and you can see I water these nearly every day. You can see how hot it is in my conservatory. So this is a Shirley. So I'm just going to dig a hole. What that root system is going to. We're going to get this nice and deep, and then just mold it in. So you want quite a nice, it coming up the stem nicely. So that's the first one in, and I've got my bamboo sticks. I'll just put those in all at the same time, which saves me doing it later on. So that's the first one in. So I'm just looking at the varieties as I go, because I know some of these are tumblers, and as you can see, some of them have got the flowers on them already. That's how hot my conservatory is. This is another gardener's delight, which I'm not going to put that one in because it's not what that there for six, not one of my favourite tomatoes. This is another money maker. What did I put before? That one was a Shirley what I put in. So yeah, I'm going to put this gardener's delight in. Just getting a bit confused here. So just dig the hole. And put it nicely down so that you get a good covering. And I'll just mound up the dirt around the root. If you want, you can always pinch off the bottom leaves as well. We'll get another pole. And put that in there. So I'm going to come along by 3. So just take off these bottom ones. And this one's a money maker. You can see I'm going nice and deep on them. And just rounding them up nicely. So that's 3 I've got in so far. I know some of these are, that's a tumbling tigress. I don't think that one can go in there. This one's a beefsteak, so I think that one can go in. Just see, put that in there and just mould it up nicely. This is an Alicante. Take off these ones what's at the bottom, what's not doing anything. Just watching my marks. Sticks what I'm putting in. You stick them up from now, it saves you doing it later when they're growing up, because then all what you've got to do when they start growing is just string them up to the pole. Right. You can see these ones are cherry fountain. And you can see they've got little tomatoes on them already, which I think I might be better off planting these tumbling ones in a pot. So that's, this one is called another cherry fountain. As you can see, they've all got tomatoes on them, and that one's a cherry fountain as well. So those ones I most probably either put at the front. Well, so I'm just gonna get another tray. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, this one is called Golden Sunrise. Those I don't know where they're from. So I'm going to pick off these ones because I want to plant this down a bit. Just give it a bit more strength. So plant this one really down. So that's Golden Sunrise. This one is called Nagia. I'm just taking off the bottom leaves. That's what I was saying, I've got a nice selection this year. Just looking where I'm stepping at the moment. Right, there. That's my back. This one is called Sugar Loss, which is a cherry tomato meant to be. Someone might be saying I'm planting these a bit too close to each other, but that's how I plant my ones. I just have to work with the garden that I've got. So I've got, this is another variety, Totem. So just pick off the outer stem. So that's a Totem. You can see it's got little tomatoes on it already. So put this one here. Down. You might be saying thinking I've not put any blood fish and bone or anything like that in there, but like with tomatoes, they don't like a lot of fertiliser in them, so all I do, I'll just put some tomato in the water when I'm watering them, and that's the only sort of fertiliser what they get. If I see the leaves are getting a bit yellowy or thin, then I might sprinkle some Epsom salts around the roots just to help them on a bit. So that's how I plant my tomatoes on. I've got a few more to plant, but I've got to think where I'm going to put those, which are the tumbling varieties, the cherry ones. So I've got to just find a little bit of a space to put those ones. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. If you want to leave any tips, please do so in the comment section. I will get back to you on them. And tell a friend to tell another friend about this channel. It's called D.W.W Gardening. We're just growing things that slowly at the moment. For those of you who's got a small garden, it's just showing you what you can do in that garden and how I do things in my small garden. So thank you for watching, and see you all on the next one, and happy gardening.